Your refreshed toolbar is here. The newly updated design is now live across dashboards, reports, and templates in AgencyAnalytics, built based on feedback from our clients to make finding widgets faster and easier. With a cleaner layout that highlights each widget category and expands only when needed, the new toolbar saves space and makes building dashboards and reports more intuitive than ever. Let's take a quick look at what's new. On the right-hand side are clearly organized widget categories. At the top is Build with AI with two options. Summarize your data with AI, which transforms data into clear, meaningful insights clients can understand, and Build Metrics with AI, which uses natural prompts to find the right widgets and add the metrics that matter most. Next is Integration Metrics with a search bar to locate specific metrics or scroll through available integrations like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook, Majestic, and more. Content blocks include customizable elements such as text boxes, titles, stat widgets, tables of contents, and task lists to structure reports. Under Images, upload logos, designs, illustrations, or other visuals to personalize dashboards and reports. The Embed section allows external content like videos or web pages to be added directly into dashboards or reports using an iframe. With custom metrics, previously created metrics can be inserted into dashboards or reports. The Benchmark section displays a client's performance compared against industry benchmarks or tracked sites. And finally, Goals displays custom goals to track progress at a glance. Looking to build dashboards and reports faster with a smarter workflow? Start your free trial of AgencyAnalytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.